Bobby was a very interesting experience because I was so used to working with I was so used to working with English actors who are very fast, they come in, they know their stuff. Bobby falls, I think, into the realm of method acting. And he prepared and prepared. He was coming months in advance with bits of costume. We built parts of the set so he could work on. He was so meticulous. And it was strange. It was almost as if his character was what the film was about, because the amount of work that went into providing him all the things that he needed to work with was rather disproportionate to what was going on. And he came, and he's extraordinary, but the one thing I could never get my head around is the fact that Bob De Niro might be nervous ever. And the first day shooting, he was just really nervous. I think it was because he'd been a big star for some years now, and the idea of coming onto somebody else's film, because it's really Jonathan Pryce's film, with a whole crew of people that had all been working for several weeks together, was really difficult for him. So we ended up doing a lot more takes than I was used to doing, just to get him to relax. But he's extraordinary. The thing that I think amazed me the most about him, because when I'm shooting, there's the camera, I'm really here, and there's the actor right there. And I can't see what he's doing half the time. I'm looking at it and saying, let's do another take. I'm not sure if we got it. And then the next day you see it on the screen, and it's like unbelievable. It's like he has this direct connection with the lens. And if you're 1 or 2 degrees off, you don't see what's happening. He's phenomenal that way.